Here at AWPM we provide project management, drone services and construction media across residential and commercial developments. From live progress reporting and programme visibility to executive reporting for senior stakeholders. Our drone inspection services support commercial buildings, construction sites, roofs, facades and solar installations with safe high-level access and detailed visual reporting. From early stage land opportunities through to completed luxury developments, AW provides aerial visibility of construction progress throughout every stage of the development process. We also help contractors and construction companies professionally showcase their projects through high quality media content for websites, tenders and social media platforms. To discuss your next project, contact AWPM via our website today.